Hello everyone, welcome back to Math with Amala. This is a new video of grade 6 chapter number 6 integers, and I have divided the chapter into some portions. The first portion contains the introduction part, which contains the tag me with a sign. Also, the second part contains the integers, third part with representation of integers on number line. Then the fourth part contains ordering of integers. Fifth part, example 1 and 2 including exercise 6.1. Then the sixth part contains addition of integers. Then seventh part contains addition of integers on number line. Eighth part contains example number 3, 4, 5 and 6. And in ninth part you can see exercise 6.2. In the 10th, subtraction of integers with the help of number line. Then 11th one, example 7, 8, 9. Then the 12th one contains exercise number 6.3. Now let's move to the detailed explanation of each point. The first one, introduction. Actually, we can define the integers only after defining the negative numbers. What do you mean by the negative numbers? You can see that in temperature and also in the sea level. All these measures you can see that you will be mentioning with a negative quantity, or otherwise you can denote some values which are just towards the left of 0. Okay, we know values up to 0, but when we don't know the values up to the left of 0. Let us take 8 steps to the left of 0. That means towards the left you have to move 8 steps, and you can count there. You can see that this is minus 8. You can give the sign minus 8. Now you can say what are the predecessors and successors that we have already covered in our previous chapter. 10, 8, minus 5, minus 3 and 0 are given. Predecessor of 10 is 9, successor is 11. Likewise, you can fill this table completely. And you can see that the predecessor of 0 is minus 1 and successor is plus 1. Now we can see how we will tag some numbers with a sign. The loss of some money, you can calculate it like minus 150, and the profit can be plus 150 or plus some number or positive some number. Temperature 8 degree less than 0 degree, you can give it like minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now the value below sea level, like below 30 below sea level, you can see give it like minus 30, like that. Now what are the integers? Let us consider the natural number set and the 0, whole number, negative numbers, and the integers include all these sets. Okay, this red lined figure indicates the integer set, and which includes natural number, 0, whole number, and the negative numbers together. Now the representation of integers on number line. We know that number line is containing all the elements which are of the form integers, and also there are some numbers which are in the real format also, and you can represent it with 0. 0 will be at the very middle, and towards the right you will have positive numbers, and towards the left you will have negative numbers. So in order to locate them, you can give minus 6 can be represented like this and 4 can be represented like that. Next, ordering of integers. Every integer on the number line is have a particular position. So you can give a particular order over there. Let's give the 0 towards the left. You can see that minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So the number increases towards left. Even the number increases towards left, the value will be decreasing. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be increasing towards left, but the value will be decreasing. Likewise, minus 3 less than minus 1, but 3 is greater than 1. When 7 is greater than 6, minus 7 is less than minus 6. Now you can give the symbols. 0 is greater than minus 8, 5 is greater than minus 5, 0 is less than 6, minus 1 is greater than minus 15. Here 1 is less than 15, but minus 1 is greater than minus 15. 11 less than 15, likewise minus 20 less than 2. And for an example, minus 10,000 is less than 2. Okay, you have to look at the symbol rather than the number. Example number 1, minus 8 and minus 2. You have to take integers in between these two numbers. So you can give it like minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. And minus 3 is the largest and minus 7 is the smallest among these numbers. You have to look at the sign, not the number. Example number 2. Here we are placing one button at the point minus 3 and this button should be reached at minus 9. So in which direction we have to move? Of course it is towards left of the minus 3. Then you can reach at minus 9 by jumping how many steps? You have to move 6 steps towards left. Now the next question, 4 steps towards the right of minus 6. So we have to start from minus 6 and move 4 steps towards minus, toward the right of minus 6. You will reach at minus 2. That is 4 steps right of minus 6. Thank you all for watching the half content of this chapter and you can get the remaining half in the next video. Stay tuned.